These M&M Rice Krispie treats are a new take on the classic Rice Krispie treats, and both adults and kids will love these. First, you're going to add 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal to a large bowl, and I'm just using a 2-cup measuring cup here. And then once you've done that, add 4 tablespoons of butter to a small saucepan and then melt that. Next, you're going to add 10 ounces of mini marshmallows. I just poured the whole bag in there and then mix it up really well, and you want to just continue to melt it, stirring it frequently until it's all smooth and everything is melted. Then take it off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then mix that in. Add everything to the Rice Krispies cereal that you added to your bowl and then mix it really well. It's going to be hard to mix it because it's going to get real thick. Just do the best that you can. Sometimes it helps to spray the spatula or the bowl with some non-stick cooking spray, but it's just going to be messy and you might have to switch to using clean hands to mix it well. So once it's mixed, just let it sit for a couple of minutes so it's not really hot, and then add in the M&Ms. And you're just going to add in about 2/3 of a 12-ounce bag. You can add less if you want less M&Ms, that's okay. And just mix as best as you can here. I used a wooden spoon, and I actually broke the wooden spoon because it starts to get really tough to mix this together. So I would suggest using a metal spoon or some kind of spatula or something. Then when you're all mixed up, just put it into or add it into a 13 by 9 inch pan. Make sure the pan is sprayed with some baking spray, and then add the rest of the M&Ms on the top of it and kind of smash them in a little bit. Then you're going to want to make sure that it is cool before you actually cut them, and that doesn't take very long at all. And I hope you like these. Feel free to add whatever flavor M&Ms that you like. Personally, you can even add in the mini M&Ms as well. All right, y'all, happy baking, and I will see you next time.